In this video, I'll show you how to play 4:3 stretch resolution in CS2. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to Settings. Check your aspect ratio. Here, set it into 4:3. And then apply changes. And then you can see it is now stretched into 4:3 ratio. If your screen turns out to have a two black bars on the left and right side of your screen, you just need to go to your monitor settings. For us to do that, go to the Windows desktop. On your Windows desktop, press right click and then go to NVIDIA control panel. Here on your NVIDIA control panel, go to display and then go to adjust desktop size and position and set it to full screen and then hit apply. And now after that, the two black bars on the left and right side should be gone and the game should be in full screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching.